Okay, since we're catching fish, they're about, I don't know, 10 inches, somewhere around there. Um, I was going to show you what your rants look like. Actually, fish underneath. Obviously, this is bottom, and these are the fish. And this is using the downscan. I love downscan. It works in 10 feet and up in salt water. Then if you go to the other options, which is structure, I don't know if you're able to see it against the edge. This edge and this edge. Against the edge you can see them. Barely. It's not a good way of finding them. And then, let me see if I can put some shadow. If you look against the edge, you can see them. Terrible way of finding out where the fish is. And then if you go to regular sonar, here they are. You can see them, but it's terrible with all the clutter. The first 4 feet is because it's windy. Ha ha ha. Waves. I'm going to bring it out so you can hear the wind. Because it's windy, you got a lot of, first 4 feet is clutter, but you can see the fish. There's the bottom. These are the fish. And so basically these arcs represent about a 10-inch fish approximately. I love downscan because what I did is I put in downscan. I went about 4 miles an hour and I zigzag. Ooh, you see dolphins. You see the dolphins? You see the dolphins? They get close. But anyway, I zigzag and zigzag till I saw all these echoes like that. And then I decided to anchor. I couldn't drift because it's too windy. So anyway, you actually see the echo and you can match it with the fish. Here the fish. To give you an idea, here's my foot. I'm a midget, so my foot is small. Talk to you later.